if you have this kind of machine, high speed, this is a high speed sewing machine and with the brand of Seruba. And I have a problem with this machine. My threader, or this thing here, should be my threader for this. Ever since I have this machine, I have a problem with this thing here. And right now I'm still figuring it out how to make this bobbin winder of mine fix, because if I thread my bobbin here, though I put the thread here and everything, the loops, the bobbin winder, it winds, but it's not that good or clean. I don't like it, in other words. So what I did, if you have a problem with dealing that one, what you should do is like this. What you should do, it's okay, just do your thread like this, and you have to put your thread inside the hole and do like that at first. Of course, turn on your machine, and we'll be using this hand wheel here. So thread should be facing this way. Okay, not that way, no, or that way, no. It should be facing right in front of you, and have just like that, and you're ready to go. Put your bobbin inside, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy, and hope I will teach you something.